In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet effective guide on how to use Google tools to optimize your eBay shopping experience. Whether you're on the hunt for that elusive item or just seeking deals, this guide will streamline the process for you. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open up your preferred internet browser and head straight to eBay's website. For those who might be a bit newer to online shopping or simply aren't tech savvy, navigating to eBay is as easy as typing eBay into your search bar and selecting the official eBay link. Once you've arrived on the homepage, you'll find yourself amidst a plethora of options to explore. The goal here is to make this vast marketplace work for you, ensuring you find exactly what you want without trolling endlessly through listings. Once you're on eBay, the next step is to zero in on a specific product you are looking to buy. This could be anything from vintage collectibles to the latest tech gadget. Use the search bar that's prominently placed at the top of the page. Type in the name or keyword of your desired item and hit enter. The search results will populate according to your query, highlighting the variety and options available. Now here's the nifty trick. By clicking Save This Search, you empower eBay to do some of the legwork for you. Essentially, once you click this option, it prompts you with a feature where eBay will send you email alerts whenever there are new listings in line with your search criteria. To ensure you receive these notifications, make sure your email alerts are turned on. It's a simple but crucial step. Typically, eBay will guide you through the process, but double-check your account settings to confirm that email notifications are enabled so you don't miss out on any potential deals. And just like that, you're done. It's truly as simple as setting up a targeted search and letting the technology do its thing. This method is efficient, letting you stay updated without constantly checking back with eBay. It's perfect for those busy with work, family, or just life in general who can't always be glued to a computer screen. By following these steps, you can sit back, relax, and let your inbox work as your personal shopper. This method not only saves time, but also ensures that you remain informed about what's available in your chosen category. Remember, with eBay's vast inventory, staying specific about your interests and letting saved searches keep you updated can make all the difference in securing great buys. Happy shopping, and may you find exactly what you're looking for.